Good evening, ma'am. I hope that you all are fine. So now I want to show you Desi violin. Uh, we can say in Hindi language sarangi. It is our cultural instrument. We can play its instrument Mage festival. How community, how community's biggest festival. It is festival. So we can see it is a Komodo dragon skin, and it is a horse hair. So I want to play this instrument, and I want to also sing a Mage song. It is folk song. Okay. Basically, we use in cultural program. Buru kote bakaye kana gara kote jagiye kana nemine bugin desu mere bujono makana nemine bugin desu mere